OpenShot AI, the future of video editing, is here. OpenShot AI is changing how we edit videos. It's a free program that makes editing easy and fun. With OpenShot AI, anyone can create professional-looking videos. This software is perfect for beginners. It's also great for experienced editors who want to save time. OpenShot AI uses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify video editing. AI takes center stage, unveiling OpenShot's powerful features. OpenShot AI has many amazing features. One of the best is video stabilization. This feature removes shaky camera movements. It makes your videos look smooth and professional. Another great feature is motion tracking. This lets you track an object in your video. OpenShot AI will then automatically keep the object in focus. Object detection is another cool feature. It can identify different objects in your videos, like people, cars, or animals. You can then add fun effects to these objects. OpenShot AI for everyone, your gateway to effortless video creation. OpenShot AI is designed for everyone. Whether you are a teacher creating educational content, a student working on a school project, or a business owner making marketing videos, OpenShot AI has something for you. Its easy-to-use interface makes video editing a breeze. Plus, it's free. This makes it a great option for individuals and businesses on a budget. Unleashing the power of OpenShot AI, a step-by-step guide to video editing. Creating a video with OpenShot AI is super easy. First, import your video clips and photos, then drag and drop them onto the timeline. Next, you can add transitions, effects, and music. OpenShot AI has many built-in options to choose from. You can even use its AI features to automatically improve your video's quality. Finally, preview your video and make any final adjustments. Once you're happy, export your video and share it with the world.